Welcome everyone. We're going to be making a simple maple soy shrimp stir fry today. You're going to julienne half a red onion, and then you're going to need to dice up a 1/4 cup of red peppers, a 1/4 cup of yellow peppers, and a 1/4 cup of orange peppers. You will also need 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and garlic to your wok on high heat. Add your onion, peppers, and saute for 10 seconds. For today's recipe, I'm using about 300 grams of frozen raw Pacific white shrimp, but pretty much you can use any shrimp you like. However, you need to make sure that you've removed all the veins and that you've rinsed and drained the shrimp really well. Add your shrimp to the wok and saute for 10 seconds. Add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and saute. Now I don't like to add too much seasoning as I like to taste the sweetness of the shrimp. You don't want to overcook your seafood, especially shrimp, as it becomes really dry and rough. So when you notice it turning orange, turn off the heat and serve. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and simple recipe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.